I am Marjorie Anderson. I'm an instructor at Casper College in central Wyoming. So my experience with uCertify on balance has been very positive. uCertify uses virtual machine tools so students can experience what it is like to work with the software without having to pay for or install the software. And so that means that their experiences are device agnostic. It doesn't matter if they're working on laptops, desktops, tablets, Macs, or PCs. And so that really works well for being able to get them hands-on experience without having to jump through hoops of do they have the right device? Are they able to get the software? So students in uCertify tend to be pretty engaged because there's an ebook available. They are able to log in, they're able to see all their course materials in one place so they can flip through the ebook. I really like the flashcards because those are graded assignments. They'll go back through and work on the flashcard assignments until they get 100%, which means they're actually learning the terminology. And I can see that they're learning the terminology because they're doing those assignments. So their experience has been pretty good on the front end. Sometimes setting up their accounts and getting in can be a little confusing. Once they understand what they're supposed to do and where they're supposed to go, they really like it. It was pretty easy. I did need support and some training from the uCertified team, specifically to know how to set things up and also how to sync grades back to my LMS. So uCertify keeps their materials updated. Their software is current. So it means that I don't have to worry about trying to find an updated textbook. I don't have to worry about if my projects are out of date or if they still work for the data sets that are available. And so it makes it a lot easier for me. I can go in, I can set the course up. I know that it's going to work and it's going to be good. And so I don't have to try to figure out what is out of date, what is still useful, and I can just set it up and let the students do the work. I have recommended it to other instructors. We have a cybersecurity instructor who teaches cybersecurity networking. He's planning to trial uCertify in the next couple of years for a couple of his classes. So yes, I do recommend it to other instructors.